face of uncertainties in our government, many of our countrymen remain dissatisfied with what is happening, but their small voices are often unheard. Under the leadership of Brother Eduardo V. Manalo, Executive Minister of the Iglesia ni Cristo, brethren from various parts of the country united to support the call addressed to our nation's leader in a two-day rally for transparency and a better democracy. The efforts of the hundreds of thousands of brethren and fellow citizens who gathered at the Carino Grandstand and Rizal Park were not in vain, as their peaceful protest captured attention even from observers outside the Philippines. Let's watch this.
At the Manila Grandstand, more than 500,000 gathered for the two-day rally for transparency and a better democracy led by the Iglesia ni Cristo. Citizens traveled to take part in the peaceful assembly and lend their voice to the growing public clamor regarding issues of corruption in the government. The movement was conducted after more than 100 days since the issue of anomalous flood control projects was exposed. And following a super typhoon that swept the country, leaving more than 200 casualties due to floods. Organizers emphasized that the event wasn't intended to meddle in politics, but rather an exercise of the constitutional rights of freedom of speech and peaceful assembly to send a clear message to those in position.
Ang Iglesia ni Cristo po ay kaisa ng marami nating kababayan na kumukunti na sa napakalaking korupsyon sa mga flood control projects na kinasasangkutan po ng mga matataas na opisyal ng ating pamahalaan.
Participants stood united in calling for transparency in the investigation, underscoring the importance of justice by using only legal means to prosecute and hold accountable those involved in stealing from the public coffers, as provided by the laws of the land for peace.
Huwag po nating kalilimutan, buwis ng mga mamamayan ang ninakaw ng mga korap. Kaya dapat lang na gawing bukas sa taong bayan ang mga investigasyon. Isinasaad po sa ating saligang batas, Article 11, Section 1, na public officers and employees must at all times be accountable to the people. Serve them with the utmost responsibility, integrity, loyalty, and efficiency.
Kapag walang pananagutan, wala pong progreso. At kapag walang progreso, ang magdurusa, hindi po ang pamahalaan, kundi ang mga kaawa-awang ordinaryong mamamayan katulad po natin. Huwag lang kayong maging mahusay sa salita at propaganda. Maging mahusay din kayo sa pagtupad ng pangako at pagtanggap ng pananagutan. Tandaan po natin, ang isang pinunong marunong managot at magpanagot, yan po ang pinunong may dangal.
The gathering wasn't only limited within Manila. Supporters of the peaceful rally from the different parts of the country and Filipino citizens around the world also stood up to demand transparency, accountability, justice, and peace from the government. Wearing their rally shirts, many watch on air, while others hooked to the online stream of the momentous two-day event. And as the rally concluded, its impact resonated far beyond the grandstand. The sound of voices raised in unity wasn't only heard on the streets of Manila, it echoed across borders, catching the attention of international news agencies.
Hundreds of thousands of people have joined a mass protest in the Philippines over a corruption scandal involving dubious flood control projects.
The Philippines is witnessing one of its largest public demonstrations in years, as more than 500,000 people gathered in Manila to demand accountability over a multi-billion-dollar corruption scandal.
Well, the protesters in Philippines are demanding justice, accountability, and full transparency as multi-billion pesos graft scandal shakes country's political and economic landscape.
Iglesia ni Cristo is one of the largest and most influential churches in the Philippines. In 2022, it supported President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.'s candidacy. But they say that doesn't mean they'll stay silent in the face of widespread corruption, which is why they're out in huge numbers.
What started as a peaceful gathering became a powerful proof that when citizens unite their voices for a meaningful cause, the world listens. Howell Buna, Rally for Transparency and a Better Democracy, special coverage.
As the world watched, the unity and resolve of the Iglesia ni Cristo members for the welfare of the country became truly evident. I am Brother Jem Barzaga. Have a great day.